Sensitive ba ang ilong ng inyong mga pusa? Pagkat saan ng gamit yung bumabahing siya, humahatching, nagkaka-allergies, minsan pa nga yung ibang cats nagiging asthmatic or nagkaka-asthma. Dahil dyan, if sensitive ang mga pusa nyo, I do encourage you guys to switch to this kind of cat litter. This is the Hide and Seek Cassava Cat Litter. To be honest, ito yung holy grail ko na cat litter. Mga pusa ko, actually si Kopi, very sensitive ang nose nun. Rinig ko na lang, bigla siyang babahing, lalo na kung ang gamit ko si Fine na cat litter sand. So I switched to this and it does wonders. It's biodegradable, made of cassava, flushable siya, mabilis yung clumping factor niya, and very good ang odor control niya kasi yung ganito karaming, let's say mga 2 weeks at most, hindi pa siya ganun kabaho. Pero very much worth it siya, lalo na for cats that have sensitive noses. Yung may mga cats may respiratory issues, perfect sa kanila. And also sa mga fur parents dyan na asthmatic at ayaw na mag-sand, this one is your go-to talaga. Ang favorite scent ko actually is creamy vanilla. Marami silang scents, actually meron silang melon, fresh berries, jasmine, creamy vanilla, Earl Grey, baby powder. Doc, saan ako makakakuha nito? Well, meron silang mga partner na vet clinics na nagdi-distribute nito or nag-hold ng brand na to. So, if you're from Santa Rosa, Laguna, you can order from us or inquire sa page namin, Penta Veterinaria, or magsiswitch ako sa name na 5 Boss, and it costs around 360 per bag. Promise, gamitin nyo to, you'll never go back. If you have other concerns regarding your cat's litter, don't forget guys to consult your veterinarian.